Okay, so in this video lesson we're going to take a look at how we can quickly and easily remove duplicates from our data. So here's a set of sales data, and I've gone ahead and highlighted all the duplicated rows. So there's Shirley, and there's Shirley again, and there's James, and there he is again, and the data is the exact same, and there's a couple of them in this data. And to quickly delete those, we can highlight our data, go up to the Data tab, and under the Data Tools section, select Remove Duplicates. And I'm going to leave this checked. That's going to tell Excel that the first row in my data is actually column headers. And then I'm going to leave all these checked as well, so it's going to look for each item in each row being the same to qualify as a duplicate. So I'm going to press OK, and Excel has told me it's found 6 duplicate values and removed them, and now 16 are left. So I'm just going to press OK, and there we go. Now I have a set of unique data.